How's it going? This is Mike. We're doing some science here, this time working with electrolysis again. Last time we did this was in New Year. And so now here we are, about 9 months, 23 days later. We've improved on the method a little bit. Let me show you the rig that I've got set up. We are using the standard baking soda. Of course, some dihydrogen monoxide, which we've got here. You can get it straight out of this faucet thing here. And I've got it all mixed up. Got a pretty interesting rig going here. Check this out. That bubbling in the top there is the hydrogen and oxygen gas that is being filtered. It's pretty much just the water, basically. It's being filtered up through there. So as this water level goes down, the gas becomes more. This is basically pure hydrogen, pure oxygen, and it creates basically a fucking fireball. Now the design that we've got here, as you can see, is it's in a water tub through the bottom, which is hard to really tell, but right there in this area you can see two little white deals, kind of silver, and those are screws that we've actually got screwed up through the bottom. There you go, there's a good view of it. Two screws that are coming up through the bottom of the tub, which is full of water. And we've got those plugged into these wires here, which run to an AC to DC current converter, breaking it down to, I believe it's about 9 volts, not sure what amperage, of course coming from the 120 volt power source. And all this is right on the motherfucking counter here. And give you an idea of how fast it's creating this gas in this short of time, that's about how much it's moved. And whenever it does fill up the entire thing, the plan is going to be to light it using a lighter, which I've got right here. Hopefully it still works, which it does. I'm going to take it, light it, and I'm going to hold it to the side here, burning a hole through the side of the cup. At that point, it'll allow all the gas to immediately explode. And I'm not any kind of physicist on this, but I'm hoping that because pure oxygen is present inside of the cup, that it'll be self-oxidizing, allowing for a pretty good explosion. If everything works good, I want everything on this counter to be blown straight to hell. And you know, and they're pretty excited about it. They're stoked. The last couple of goes have been pretty interesting. I know I'm stoked. So basically, obviously, we're not. I mean, given the speed here, this is going to have to be split into 2 videos, and so.